Welcome back to my presentation series about technology and society. In today's video, I will talk about the relationship between technology and environment. This environment includes everything around us, such as air, water, land, and living organisms. It's essential for human life and for the survival of all living things. At the same time, technology is developing very quickly. It improves our lives in many ways, but it also affects the environment. Some of these effects are positive, while others are negative. In this presentation, I will explain both sides of these relationships. I will also give examples and share my opinions about how we can use technology responsibly. So, let's start by looking at the positive effects of technology on the environment. Technology has many positive effects on the environment. One of the most important benefits is the development of renewable energy. Renewable energy sources include solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. These sources are cleaner and more sustainable compared to fossil fuels. In addition, technology helps improve energy efficiency. Modern devices and systems use less energy to perform tasks. This reduces energy consumption and protects natural resources. Technology also helps scientists monitor environmental changes. For example, satellites and sensors can track pollution levels and climate changes. This allows experts to make better decisions. In my opinion, these positive effects show that technology can be a powerful tool for protecting the environment. Renewable energy is one of the most important contributions of technology. Solar panels convert sunlight into electricity. Wind turbines generate energy from the wind. These systems reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. Fossil fuels, such as coal and oil, are harmful to the environment. They produce pollution and contribute to climate change. By using renewable energy, we can reduce greenhouse gas emissions. This helps slow down global warming. In addition, renewable energy is sustainable. This means it will not run out like fossil fuels. In my opinion, investing in renewable energy is very important for the future of our planet. Despite its benefits, technology also has negative effects on the environment. One major problem is pollution. Factories and industrial processes can release harmful chemicals into the air and water. This pollution can damage ecosystems and affect human health. Another issue is the overuse of natural resources. Technology requires materials such as metals and minerals. These resources are limited and may run out in the future. In addition, producing technological devices requires energy and creates waste. In my opinion, these problems show that we must be careful when developing and using technology. Electronic waste, also known as e-waste, is a serious environmental problem. It includes old phones, computers, batteries, and other electronic devices. Many people replace their devices frequently, even if they still work. As a result, a large amount of waste is created every year. These devices often contain toxic materials. If they are not disposed of properly, they can harm the environment. Recycling is very important in this situation. It helps reduce waste and recover useful materials. In addition, companies should design products that last longer. In my opinion, reducing e-waste should be a priority for both individuals and companies. Climate change is one of the biggest environmental changes in the world today. Technology plays a role in both causing and solving this problem. Industrial activities and energy production increase greenhouse gas emissions. These gases trap heat in the atmosphere. This leads to global warming and climate change. However, technology can also help reduce emissions. For example, clean energy systems and efficient machines reduce pollution. In addition, new technologies are being developed to capture carbon emissions. In my opinion, technology should be used as a solution, not a problem. It has great potential to help fight climate change. Sustainable technology focuses on reducing environmental impacts. It aims to use resources efficiently and minimize waste. Examples include energy-efficient buildings and eco-friendly products. Many companies are now trying to develop greener technologies. Governments also support environmental policies and regulations. These policies encourage companies to reduce pollution. In addition, sustainable technology promotes long-term thinking. It focuses not only on current needs but also on future generations. In my opinion, sustainable technology is essential for protecting the environment. Individuals also have an important role in protecting the environment. People can make simple changes in their daily lives. For example, using less energy, recycling, and reducing waste. Even small actions can have a big impact over time. Technology can help individuals make better decisions. For example, apps can track energy usage or suggest eco-friendly habits. In addition, people can choose products that are environmentally friendly. In my opinion, awareness is very important. Without awareness, technology alone cannot solve environmental problems. In the future, technology will play an even bigger role in protecting the environment. New innovations may help reduce pollution and improve sustainability. For example, smart energy systems can optimize electricity usage. Advanced recycling methods can reduce waste. Artificial intelligence may help analyze environmental data more effectively. However, there will still be changes. Society must balance technological development and environmental protection. In my opinion, cooperation between governments, companies, and individuals is very important. Only by working together can we create a better future. In conclusion, technology has both positive and negative effects on the environment. It can help reduce pollution and protect natural resources. However, it can also create environmental problems such as waste and emissions. Understanding these effects is very important in today's world. In my opinion, we should use technology responsibly and focus on sustainability. Protecting the environment is a shared responsibility for everyone. Thank you very much for listening. I hope this presentation was clear, useful, and informative.